Well, I finally have a place that's secure, which means I'm officially out of excuses. For the past 3 years, this has been my system. Put something down, forget where it is, and then convince myself to buy another one. I wish I was joking. I used to have a workshop where everything had a home, and somehow putting tools away was equally as satisfying as using them. This is not that, but it could be. Now, I don't have a big budget, and I definitely don't have a plan, but what I do know I want is a place where I can actually find things, a section for my most used tools, and something flexible, because I know a workshop is never really finished. You're always changing it as you accumulate more tools. And this is probably the only proper thing that I've bought, just because I like the idea that I can change my mind later. But before I can build anything, I need to undo my own organisation. And that means clearing this out, so I've got a new place to put the wood I refuse to get rid of, because I'll definitely need it one day. Oh, why are things never quick around here? I've just spent half an hour struggling with a fork, only to realise I'm better off using my hands. It's so much quicker. Well, I've just discovered something in the barn while I was clearing it out, and it's not what I was expecting. There's a little bumblebee nest tucked away in here, and with it being spring, I think it's only just got started. There's only a handful in there at the moment, but it does make things a little bit awkward because that's the area I was planning to put my spare wood. So for now, I'm just going to work around them, leave them a bit of space, and try not to disturb them too much. It's funny how these projects never seem to go to plan, but I suppose they were here first. Wonder how old that newspaper is. This is so fascinating. Frank Lampard admits the chance of earning legendary status is driving him onto another 20-goal season. I can't get to the date. Oh! Friday, January the 29th, 2010. Hadn't even bought our first house then. Well, I got a fair bit cleared out yesterday, but not in the way I expected. As I was doing it, I kept thinking I could use that, and probably that as well. Also, the bees are still in there, so I'm working around them for now. They seem quite happy, so I'll take that as a good sign. But today I want to make a start on having a workbench along that wall. Nothing fancy, but something solid enough for me to use. Somewhere I can do a bit of tinkering, maybe set up a mitre saw. But yeah, I'll have to sort out the electrics eventually. Another offcut for the pile. I know I'm not going to have time to move everything over today because there's just too much of it. So I'm going to do it bit by bit. As much as I don't want to, I'm going to have to clear this corner to work here. And I have no idea what this heavy thing is. It's like tar. I don't know if it's horse related, but I definitely don't want it. 900 is there. I'd say that's right. I know I've got the right piece of wood in here. Well, that's not helpful. Now to prop it up and try and get it level all at the same time. No. Hey, if it works, it works. Oh my God, that is level. It's more or less bang on. What were the chances? Where are my ear defenders? You know what? If I wear this backwards, will that help? Yes. That solves everything. What? Have you just knocked that? Here's a word of advice. Don't allow Mr. DCD to be let loose on the tractor. I think it's just going to rip it to shreds. Broken here and all. I don't think it's going to work. I wonder if I should put a plank of wood that way. One sec, one sec. Try that. Oh, wait there. I might need two. It's going that. Jesus Christ. Ah! Woo! Forget it. Forget it. The hardest job is going to get this level because the fort is just all over the place. Anyway, I need your help. I want to lift this into position and then I'm going to have to prop it up somehow. It's going to be too high up, but at least a start. So the brickwork isn't quite square and I'm not scribing it. Right, now I've got to screw that down. Sorry. Now this is going to be interesting, trying to get it all level without adjustable legs. I've taken that leg out for now so I can measure it, but as long as I don't lean on it, I'm fine. And if I can just bang a concrete screw in the base of it, I'm laughing. So I've cut a fraction off and offered it up more times than I care to admit, but I've got it level now. Now I need to work on getting the post plumb. I did actually get the workbench finished yesterday, which already feels a massive improvement. Although I have had to put some junk on there temporarily because I still don't have proper homes for things. But I did pause in between to help my husband put some shelving up next door for all his gardening tools. And to be fair, it's come together really well. In fact, it looks so much better than mine. I'm envious now. So today I've got a bit of catching up to do to get to that stage. I do want to put some shelves here, the same shelving system, but first I want to put some silicons and corks here because they are all in the old cottage, which isn't ideal because the roof could give away at any point, so they probably shouldn't be in there. Oh, and I keep forgetting that I've got to try and find homes for all these paints and things as well. Out of sight, out of mind. Found it. Oh. Nice. Well, you can't win them all. Now I'm going to cut these down into smaller sections and fit them on an angle, just so I can stop the corks from rolling out. No, that's not meant to happen. It certainly wouldn't win any prizes. I'm hoping I've got enough space for all my cans as well. Well, it's not the prettiest thing I've ever made, and it's definitely not my finest work, but it holds everything. All the silicons, WD-40s, foams, the lot. And I can actually see what I've got now. It's getting on a bit now, and I've still got lots of tools set outside. So I'm just going to get some shelving up and start bringing things back in. All right, I'll have you as a distraction.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know you were there.
After I'd managed to get all the shelving brackets up yesterday, I ended up just throwing everything back in because it was later than I realised. But today I definitely need to sort that out. So that's my job this morning, ripping down a few sheets of material, get them fitted, but I'll probably need to buy a few more brackets. Wow, something tells me it's going to be a hot one today. Right, let's get the shelf up. Well, I'm definitely not going to knock my head on that. It's a very deep shelf, but at least I can put all like boxes and things up there that I don't need to use very often. Maybe tool cases, and I'll worry about the middle bracket later. This offcut is definitely too small, but I've got another one. Oh, that's perfect. I've just found another stash of these from my last workshop, so I'm gonna have a rejig. This is the beauty of it. You can change it as you wish. One. But I need to rip up more wood. So I finally cut the last shelf. Once I've got that in, I'm going to bring the bigger things in from the conservatory and see actually what space I've got left. Then I can start figuring out where everything's going to live. Ooh. I've brought most of it out now, but it's a bit overwhelming. So I think the best thing to do is break it down bit by bit, start on the bigger things to get them out of the way first. Oh, not so lucky. Woo! He's getting there. Jesus. The pile is slowly going down, so at least that's something. Well, I've been at this for quite a few hours now and it's almost 8 o'clock at night and there's still a lot left out there. So I think I just need to get everything back inside for now. Some of these things haven't been out of their boxes for about 3 years? 4 years? 5 years? Oh God. One thing I haven't figured out yet is what I'm going to do with all of these different screws. I've got hundreds of them, all different sizes, types, half open boxes. I could probably build something for them, but I don't know the best way to organise them. So if you've got any ideas, please help a girl out. It's definitely not finished, but it's a start, and that's what I needed. And the other small win is that the conservatory is completely tool-free. See you next weekend.